Have you ever tried to lose weight only to feel stuck, frustrated, and like nothing works? You're not alone. And today I'll share proven quick strategies that can help you start losing weight faster than you thought possible. Rapid weight loss doesn't have to mean starving yourself or spending hours in the gym. The truth is, with the right approach, you can shed pounds quickly while still staying healthy and energized. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step strategies that you can start today to see noticeable results fast. Before you begin, here are a few tools that will make the process easier. A journal or an app to track your meals, workouts, and progress. A kitchen scale or measuring cups to help you understand portion sizes. A water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day. Most importantly, a positive mindset, because consistency beats perfection. Here's the structured plan for rapid weight loss. Cut out processed foods, sugary drinks, packaged snacks, and refined carbs. These make up the majority of excess calories in most people's diets, and they don't fill you up for the amount of calories that they provide. By cutting these out, you instantly lower your calorie intake and reduce bloating. You may be surprised at how many processed foods you eat on a daily basis. So read food labels carefully and stick primarily to unprocessed options like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. This alone can lead to rapid weight loss because you're reducing your overall calorie consumption without feeling deprived. Prioritize protein. Lean protein like chicken, fish, tofu, or beans keeps you full longer, boosts your metabolism, and helps protect muscle while you burn fat. Muscle mass helps you burn more calories even at rest. Plus, it takes more calories to maintain muscle than to maintain fat. Preserving muscle during weight loss is key. Protein also stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and cravings that can sabotage your diet. Most people don't get enough protein, so make it the center of every meal. Some easy high-protein options include grilled chicken breasts, baked salmon, lentil soup, tofu stir-fry, and black bean burgers. Load up on vegetables. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, or peppers at every meal. These add volume to your meals without significant added calories. Vegetables are full of fiber and water, both of which keep you feeling full and satisfied, while providing essential vitamins and minerals. They help prevent overeating by expanding in your stomach, which sends fullness signals to your brain. Plus, vegetables are naturally low in calories, so you can eat large portions without consuming too many calories. Stay active daily. Exercise speeds up weight loss by burning additional calories and boosting your metabolism. But don't go overboard. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. You can break it up into 10-minute sessions if needed. Find activities you enjoy like walking, biking, swimming, or dancing to make it easier to stay consistent. Mix cardio with resistance training to build lean muscle. Muscle mass helps you burn more calories even at rest, making it easier to keep the weight off long term. Aim for 2 strength training sessions per week targeting all major muscle groups. Hydrate and sleep. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. This helps control cravings and keeps your body running efficiently. Staying hydrated also helps control hunger hormones and can prevent overeating at meals. Experts recommend about 8 cups of water daily, but you may need more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation disrupts hunger hormones, leading to cravings and overeating. Consistent sleep also helps regulate metabolism and promotes fat burning while you rest. And consider intermittent fasting. A structured eating window like 16 to 8 can accelerate fat burning and keep things simple. Intermittent fasting means you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. One popular method is the 16 to 8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and restrict your eating to an 8-hour window daily. This approach has been shown to promote fat burning and simplify your eating habits. You got this. With the right mindset and consistent effort, you can achieve your weight loss goals quickly and safely. Remember, focus on the overall pattern of your eating and exercise habits, rather than getting caught up in daily fluctuations. Stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and be patient with yourself. Don't get discouraged by occasional setbacks. Just keep moving forward and celebrate your progress along the way. Let's put it all together. Let's look at what your day could look like following these steps. On the screen now, you'll see an example of a day using these strategies. Cut out processed foods. Begin by removing all processed foods from your grocery list. Focus on incorporating more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your diet. For breakfast, opt for plain oatmeal, topped with fresh berries instead of sugary cereals. Choose grilled chicken or fish over processed meats like bacon or sausage. Swap packaged snacks for raw vegetables and a small handful of nuts. Stay active. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise daily. Incorporate activities you enjoy to make it easier to stay consistent. Walk, bike, swim, or dance. Do some strength training exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows. 2 to 3 times a week. Hydrate and sleep. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help control cravings and keep your body running efficiently. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to regulate hunger hormones and promote fat burning. Intermittent fasting. Consider adopting an intermittent fasting schedule like 16 to 8, where you fast for 16 hours and limit your eating to an 8-hour window daily. Plan your meals around your fasting window to ensure you're still meeting your nutritional needs. Meal prep. Dedicate some time each week to meal prep. This can save you time and prevent you from making unhealthy choices when you're hungry. Chop vegetables, cook grains, and portion out snacks like nuts and Greek yogurt. Having healthy options ready to go makes it easier to stick to your goals. Use smaller plates. Using smaller plates can help you naturally reduce portion sizes. It may seem counterintuitive, but by using a smaller plate, you'll be less likely to overeat. Keep healthy snacks handy. If you tend to snack mindlessly, keep healthy options like nuts, fruit, or Greek yogurt nearby. When a craving hits, grab a nutritious snack instead of reaching for the first food you see. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Don't beat yourself up if you slip up. Just get back on track at your next meal. Celebrate your successes and use setbacks as learning opportunities. Every small step counts. Next, let's troubleshoot some common challenges. Struggling with cravings? Try drinking water first. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Feeling low energy? Make sure you're getting enough protein and healthy fats. Not seeing progress. Track everything for a week. Hidden calories in sauces, drinks, or snacks can add up quickly. Finally, let's answer a common question. How do I know if I'm losing weight too quickly? Losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is generally considered a healthy rate of weight loss. Rapid weight loss of 5 pounds or more in a week can sometimes be unhealthy, unsustainable, and even dangerous. If you're losing weight too quickly, your body may be breaking down muscle and bone instead of just fat. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies, fatigue, weakness, and other health problems. If you're concerned about your weight loss, talk to your doctor or a dietitian. They can help you determine a safe and effective rate of weight loss based on your individual needs. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to rapid weight loss. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but about making sustainable changes that lead to long-term success. Now it's your turn. Which of these strategies will you start with today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Health Code, and watch this video right here for more proven strategies to reach your health and fitness goals.